Senior Vice President of Data and Decision Science for the PGA Tour. My team is the central data and analytics team for the PGA Tour. We support the entire organization when it comes to data, and as well as for data science, decision science, as well as anything you can do with data. We run golf tournaments, we run golf courses, we partner with other golf host organizations. We have a lot of complex data. We have a lot of small data sets. We do a lot of different businesses. What we needed to do was bring that data together and find the disparate pieces of data that actually fit together and bring them in. And as we did that, when you're bringing in this data, it's all very varied and different. Some of it's actually video, some of it's going to be audio, and some of it is actually text. And you can't store that in a traditional database. We actually solve a lot of challenges with AWS, but in particular in my area, we built the first data lake for the PGA Tour. We had a lot of disparate data. We had a lot of things going all over the organization. We actually built a data lake in order to bring all that information together and then be able to push that information out to the organization and allow different departments to see other information that they didn't have access to before to make better decisions. When I came to the tour to build out the data organization, and we knew what we needed to do quickly and be successful at it, and I had a lot of success with AWS in the past, and so they always meet or exceed the expectations I have. S3 is the central tenet of our data lake. It's everything comes in first to S3, so it's the basis and the foundation of the data lake, and from there we build out. I like how they evolve their model all the time. I knew that, with S3 especially, I can actually bring all that information together quickly. And that's a big thing, is when you're starting to build something like this, you don't have time for people to worry about the back end, right? You don't want them, they want to see things on the front end. So in order to get momentum when you're building stuff from scratch like this or building from the ground up, you want to have momentum quickly. It's actually benefited our business greatly because we've now brought all our data to a central area. We have central analytics we can now report off of. It allows us to bring in new data sets all the time. We've got different data about our fans to try to understand them to build our product better. This allows us to quickly do that and then move on and to keep improving our products.